this project is provision of renewable energy for Chapel of Resurrection, UI Ibadan. And this provision is all about 30 kVA inverter and 30 kilowatt hour battery, which is going to be able to carry the capacity of this sanctuary, which is one of our provision for them in this particular Chapel of Resurrection. The 30 kVA inverter and 30 kilowatt hour will be carrying the capacity that is based on choir equipment, sound system, audiovisual system, and fan and the lightning. So this has been tested, the commissioning has been done and has been tested perfectly and working. Here we have 3 10 kVA inverter, which make it 30 kVA inverter, and we have 2 batteries, which is 15 kilowatt hour each, that makes it up 30 kilowatt hour. The benefit of this solution is that it will reduce the cost of electricity, money spent on energy, reduce fumes into the air, which is carbon monoxide, via the diesel generator. It will reduce the cost of fueling, which is diesel being purchased, and also is going to give them a sustainable hours in which they will be rest assured that there won't be any outage in their supply of energy. And this has really been tested yesterday at the program, in which for 2 hours there is no outage, and the whole system, like fans, electric lighting, sound system, and audiovisual system, were all working at the same time. This capacity can go up to 75% of the whole 30 kilowatt kVA that is being supplied, and it will definitely sustain them for up to 5 years as warranty, in which they will not need to have any cost for changing, and the maintenance will be run time to time for them to sustain this system. Thank you.